Not gonna lie, a little bit nervous about today's video. A few days ago, for the very first time, shot this 50 BMG rifle from a table. I have broken out my heavy duty, really nice Sunwayfoto tripod. Today we're gonna try shooting this rifle from that tripod. So let's go. What's up, crew? It's Chris with CloverTac. Welcome back to the channel. And the first thing we've got to do here is get this rifle set on this tripod and find a balance point. That might very well be it. Then we can clamp this sucker down, because it's going to be important that the rifle is balanced on this thing. I think especially when we move over and start to put some rounds down range, the more it's balanced, the less it's going to stress certain areas of this tripod. And yeah, that seems fairly solid. So this Sunwayfoto tripod, which is a heavy duty tripod, seems to be holding the weight of this rifle really, really well. All right, I got this thing moved up, and we're going to try to put a round down range standing with the 50 BMG from this Sunwayfoto heavy duty tripod here. Before we do any live fire, of course, safety is always first. Got my eyes on, got to go find some double ear pro, and then we can get started. All right, got my eye and ear pro. I'm nervous as all get out. You know, I'm a little bit worried. This is a fairly high-end tripod, and so I really don't want to break the tripod. But at the same time, I don't want to fire this thing and it fly off the tripod, and I'm trying to grab the weight of this rifle. I don't know. It's nerve-wracking, but we're still going to put a round downrange. We'll call it for science. And yeah, depending on how many times you guys hit that thumbs up button, and of course how this turns out on this first shot, will determine whether we take another shot. But here we go. Deep breath. And with this double ear pro, it's going to be hard to look through this scope, so bear with me as I try to get things done here. Nerves are really working. Probably going to jerk the trigger or something like that. I'm just telling you, this is not any type of an accuracy test or anything like that. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Wow, that actually was not bad. I did not hardly feel, I had that one hand on the tripod. I didn't hardly feel any recoil or anything coming through the tripod there, which was pretty awesome. So let's get another one of these big honking 50 BMG rounds. Let's try that again now that I'm a little less nervous. All right, we're still balanced well. Everything looks good. The recoil on this thing, I don't concern myself with the recoil on this thing too much. I've had this rifle for quite some time, and she is an absolute pleasure recoil-wise to shoot. It's not, this rifle is not at all brutal when it comes to recoil. It's just, I don't know what to expect when I'm doing different things like shooting from this tripod, but Sunwayfoto, man, they've got a banging tripod here. I can tell you that, to hold up, not just hold up this 50 BMG, but to also withstand the recoil. Here we go. One more round downrange with this. I'm excited. And you've got a little bit of push on that, but I think putting the two legs to the back certainly does help. Again, balanced well, everything worked out well. So yeah, kudos to Sunwayfoto and their shooting tripod setup here. And if you want to check out more with this 50 BMG or this Sunwayfoto tripod, I got you some videos right here. As for this one, though, we're done. So thanks for hanging out. Thanks for watching. And until next time, don't forget to chain fire freedom.